Ako in line with what JD said. Actually, when you think about it, our architecture school experience, ang dami talagang struggle. Every year, every sem, every day.
Ang tanong is, makakagraduate ka ba? Ayun ang laging tinatanong sa'yo, gusto mo ng comfort sa faculty, makakagraduate ka ba? Gusto mong magpa-consult ng sa plano mo, makakapasa ka ba ng thesis mo? Ganon ang laging panakot sa'yo.
Yung mga experiences na yon, I think yung nagpagaan ng loob ko towards the program was when a professor said na there's no right or wrong design. There are only better and worse designs. So parang when you think about it, all our proposals, may sense naman siya every time. Pero meron lang talaga mga proposals na sumasagot talaga dun sa mismong problem. Mas holistic yung approach. But it doesn't mean na you as an architect, wala ka ng silbi just because yung proposal mo isn't the best among 40 students. Ganun.
Yeah, tsaka for me, I think basically to sum up yung architecture talaga, tsaka kung ano yung profession is, kunyari, sa math. Ang math kasi, you solve a problem through numbers. So architecture, you solve a problem through the design. So, lalo na, marami tayong kinoconsider sa space. Akala nila, kunyari, kahit isang solid ground lang, empty space lang siya, you have to consider then yung pagkaka sunod-sunod ng spaces, yung CR ba, toilet, gaano kalayo dapat sa isang space, PWD, yung mga mga access
Accessibility.
nila. So, yun marami tayong, so dapat lahat ng mga yun is na-answer. Also, it's unlike math kasi na talagang there's a formula na masusunod mo and then for sure okay ka na. Sa field natin, it's evolving. Changing talaga siya every day, ganyan. So you have to be aware din. Lagi kang nagbabasa, lagi kang aware sa mga nagiging new technologies din.
Updates sa trends and innovations.
Yes.
One more thing din kasi sa parang
Ay, sorry, isa lang kailangan.